And I seen that when the carbon arrows first come out, they were all just straight as a
Exactly.
brick. You get all pieces in it. So I
In the traditional, when you look at Beeman, when you with the original Beeman, you look at most of the Eastern, the spine, especially aluminum like the ACC, their spine, when you flex the arrow from front to the back, the spine is from one point, say is 12 o'clock of the arrow of the weakest point. You go all the way from one end to the other. But in the case of carbon arrow, the time from when go to making using multi-layer, multi-direction, the spine of a carbon arrow become helix or compound helix. That's the reason most people who are into the arrows will find out most arrow, when you cut them, the spine of the shaft will change because the center point of the helix will move, will shift. That's the reason every time you don't spine the arrow until you put an insert in it, build the arrow, then you spine it. Now, after learning that whole process, which I own 2 patents on, I figured that I would use a similar process on the titanium. This is what the new carbon stabilizer bar is. I'm using what I learned on all 3 processes. So I'm using the lowest, purest grade of titanium, which is GL2.